Sun Bum SPF 30 Lip Balm, your lips bodyguard against sun damage. Zinc-based formula deflects UVA, UVB rays like a pro volleyball player. Relieves sun, wind, and sea dryness. Your lips' tropical vacation buddy. Packed with vegan goodies like jojoba oil and shea butter for hydration. Hypoallergenic and free of irritants, no drama, just smooth lips. Water resistant for 80 minutes. It's like a lifeguard for your lips. Hawaii Act 104 compliant, reef-safe, because your lips care about the planet. Paraben-free, gluten-free, oil-free. This balm is basically a health nut. Compact 0.1 stick fits anywhere. It's the Lip Balm Ninja. Ideal for beachgoers, hikers, or anyone who loves the great outdoors. Sun Bum Lip Balm, because chapped lips are so last season. I was hiking under the blazing sun, lips drier than a desert. Every sip of water felt like a drop in an endless drought. Then, a gust of wind hit. My lips cracked like ancient pottery. A friend handed me a tiny stick, saying, "Trust me, Magic." I swiped it on, expecting nothing. Instantly, my lips felt reborn. Turns out, it was Sun Bum SPF 30 Mineral Sunscreen Lip Balm, packed with zinc oxide, jojoba oil, and shea butter. Pure hydration. It's vegan, hypoallergenic, and reef-safe. My lips and conscience are happy. Plus, it's water-resistant for 80 minutes. Perfect for sun, wind, and sea. Now, I never hike without it. Dry lips? Not on my watch. Sun Bum Lip Balm. Saving lips, one adventure at a time. Customer reviews, 4.4 out of 5 stars, no 1. This feels moisturizing and doesn't make my lips feel dry after it wears off. Yes, it's a little gritty for the first few seconds that you apply it, but it warms up on your lips and no texture's felt after that. It feels moisturizing. Hopefully it does its job protecting the lips, because I've had several pre-cancers on my lips from growing up in Florida. 2, only use on the beach because lips look white. Happy that is a mineral sunscreen. It feels nice and creamy, protects well. 3, very good product.